Hey all, I just thought I'd make a video. I'm doing a discharge test of a 12 volt pack for lithium iron phosphate cells in series. I've already top balanced them, and I'm basically doing a capacity test on this, what's this called, the Hyperion 1420 iNet 3. As you can see there, discharging, it's taking 136 amps out of the battery, and we're at, is that 58 or 59%, at 13.10 volts. That's each cell, 3.27. That's been running for 421 minutes at a discharge rate of 6.2 amp. These cells were off AliExpress. The seller, the Sanben, I think they were called, yeah. I had to wait another week. Basically, I had to wait an extra week because they said they'd run out of cells in an email they sent me, and said as if I wouldn't mind waiting. They're having some new cells in, and the seller was claiming that they've been testing over 290 amps, and these are supposed to be them, but I'm not too sure, to be honest with you, anyway. But we shall see. It's just a quick video. What I've been doing, I'm charging this up via the charger, which is running from basically two power supplies, server power supplies. These are XT90s, which I've sort of doctored into the clips where most people solder the bullet connectors to. They fit perfect, nice and tight, and there is no loss. Yeah, that's basically doing that. There's a 24 volts lithium ion pack, 100 amp hour, that runs that 24 volt 2000 watt Pure Sine Inverter, which works a treat actually. Yeah, actually show you the state of, if I can, pop these in here. You'll notice how everyone says excuse the mess in videos, but excuse the mess. These are AS 150s, anti-spark. You notice there's no spark going on there. And if I just, oh yeah, I've got an ISDT 20 amp, yeah, 8S charger there, which is charge is fine, like 20 amp max, but the discharge rate on it is 1.5 amps on any cell, basically. Right, where is, there you go, that's that. You can see the battery voltage there, input 29.4 at 240 volt. Worth a treat. Sort of charged up just in case there's another blackout, because there's been a few recently. Yeah, that helps run my fridge and anything that I need, basically. Well, everything has priority. The fridge is the highest. Then you got your lights and then your charging, stuff like that. But anyway, that's that. And back over to this. This has been built for a caravan. We've also got this for it. The Victron Smart MPPT. That's got an Android app or the iPhone app on there. I'm gonna be using the Android app to configure that. Comes preset anyway with a lithium iron phosphate what's called setting. So there you go, that's that.